Will you believe if I say to you that the first salary in RBI to me, to my entire batch was given in cash? Of course, this is an AI generated image, but I remember very well I myself went to, I think it was Indian Overseas Bank, to withdraw the cash, and then the cash was given to all the officers in the staff training college RBSC. Hello everyone, I am Chandraprakash Joshi. Career is very, very important. Therefore, in this video, I am telling you how the RBI Grade B job is going to change in next 15-20 years when you will be at the peak of your career. This I am sharing out of my experience of seeing RBI for about 20 years now. My batchmates are still there. Working with central bank is aspiration. Aspiration because this is a very, very unique opportunity. And therefore, the competition is also there. How the job is going to change? First, understand the evolution of money. When RBI was created in 1935, cash, currency notes and coins used to be the medium of exchange when it comes to the money. But today, when we talk about money, majorly the money is in the digital form. जो पैसा हाथ में हुआ करता था वो आज क्लाउड में आ गया है. We are just doing transactions with the digital devices, whether it is mobile or laptop, wallet. RBI itself is promoting CBDC, and RBI has been pilot in digital currency. The success of UPI, in which we are becoming the global leader, the credit goes to RBI definitely. Therefore, the future officers will need to manage and regulate these digital forms. The monetary policy also becoming transmitted through the digital currency, ensuring security integration with the existing system. Another important aspect is the technological disruption in banking. When RBI was established, every banking used to happen in form of the physical cash transfers, physical ledgers, physical officers branches where you are meeting with the bankers. Over a period of time, it came to computerization, it came to internet banking, mobile banking. Now we are talking about AI. The overall technological disruption is changing the banking landscape. We also talk about neobank, we talk about cyber threats. AI, one side, is creating lot of comfort in our life, but at the same time there are many frauds happening. There is requirement of risk assessment requiring new technical skills, increasing complexity in the banking, and you have to adopt to these skills. Also, increasing complexity of the financial product. Banking used to be, if you see the Banking Regulation Act, the banking is defined as the business of accepting money for the purpose of lending. But nowadays you are seeing many banks are earning more from non-credit products. Every bank is talking about cross-selling. Technology is becoming a game changer. So therefore, from the simple business of saving and taking loans, there is a business of the complex financial product. Financial engineering has taken place, whether it is a securitization, whether it is use of the digital currencies, digital platforms, payments, derivatives, where the participation of retail is also increasing. When you are thinking about the job at RBI, managing these complex products, though RBI is very conservative, but still it will be required. As a central bank, your problems are not only confined to the national borders. What Fed Reserve is doing in their monetary policy is affecting the markets in India. Global markets are very much connected 24/7. You must be reading about the foreign exchange rate, why rupee is depreciating. Whether rupee is depreciating or dollar is depreciating, I made another video on that. But the integration of the market and making markets connected all the time is making the role of a central bank more and more challenging. Understanding global financial trends, managing cross-border risks such as capital flight and foreign exchange volatility is important aspect. And also with the time, the talk about sustainability is becoming more and more important. Also in the financial space, we talk about the climate risk, understanding that climate risk, because the climate risk is transmitting into the financial risk. This kind of challenge you have to address as you grow. But there is an argument. I am giving this argument. Nothing will change. RBI is an old institution, 90-year-old institutions. यहाँ कुछ नहीं बदलने वाला है. Some of my friends still tell me, जैसा तू छोड़ के गया था, आज भी हम प्रिंट आउट लेते हैं ईमेल पे. जो कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट आते हैं उनके प्रिंट आउट लेते हैं और साइन करके फिर से ईमेल पे भेजते हैं. RBI is a 90-year-old institution. There is a lot of institutional resilience here. Don't you worry. RBI knows how to balance innovation and stability, and when it comes to deciding the priority is stability, financial stability. मेरा काम है, even if that goes to killing the innovation. Sorry for using this word. I remember talking to RBI governor once. One of our batchmates said, "Sir, excessive regulation is strangulation." But RBI does excessive regulation. RBI is a conservative central bank. There is a lot of regulatory conservatism, and that got very much appreciated after the 2008 financial crisis. Many of the global markets got the hit, but because of the conservatism, RBI continued to manage economy very, very well. So nothing is going to change here. Why to worry? We are happy to be conservative. If I summarize this, so there are things which are going to change because of the complexity of the product, because of the evolution of the market, because of the technology, because of the focus on climate sustainability. But at the same time, RBI being an age-old institution, RBI is a large bureaucracy. RBI's job is to maintain stability, and RBI is conservative. So you need not to worry. How do I suggest to you? You have to think about data analytics, AI, digital currency, focus on financial inclusion, climate-centric policies. Global collaboration is very much required with the time coming. Future skills. You are today thinking of preparing for RBI Grade B. What kind of future skills will be required? Understanding this digital currency. Proficiency in AI. It is a tool we all have to learn. Understanding complex financial product and understanding global markets. Understanding the risk because of the climate, risk because of the sustainability issue. These will be the future skills required. Therefore, the job profile, I conclude, the job profile in 15-20 years will definitely evolve. But you don't worry, you will be able to learn that much being in RBI about all these issues that I discussed. Alongside all these, you will still need traditional knowledge of the economics, banking and finance. The topics which are also asked in the exam. If you don't understand basics, the use of new technology, use of AI or use of digital currency will not make you a great central banker working with RBI. And RBI is a resilient organization. It takes cautious approach, balancing innovation and stability. Therefore, you can understand that at one side, it may look like that you are going to watch the market, maybe wearing some VR tools in future, or you may still be serving the rural India, ensuring financial literacy and financial inclusion. RBI job is going to be interesting as it is today. Most important is how do you become RBI Grade B Officer. This new batch is starting on 18th March. The link is given in the description. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. I wish you all the best. We are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.